welcome to the next video. Today we are going to see the whole new Dzire. The build quality of the vehicle is made up of high tensile steel. The curb weight of the vehicle is 1880 kilograms. The vehicle is available in 4 variants: LXI, VXI, ZXI and ZXI Plus. The variant of the vehicle is ZXI. The pricing details of the vehicle is it nearly comes under 5.88 lakhs to 8.88 lakhs. Keyless entry, engine idle start-stop, rear parking sensors, auto climate technology, automatic 4 variants, ORVM, VXI, ZXI, dual airbags, armrest with glass screens, cabin lights, 5.88 lakhs, 8.88 lakhs, black Corvette with glassy look, prominent automatic eye-catching headlamp. In ZXI model, it is a normal headlamp. In top model ZXI Plus, we have a projection lamp. Fins and black logo is placed here. The air tank with a trapezoidal shape. Now we see the fog lamp. Round fog lamp with chrome sleek strip. The wheelbase of the vehicle is 2450 mm and the length is 2850 mm and the width of the vehicle is 1550 mm. Curb weight is 880 kilograms. Now we see the rear view of the car. Defogger lamps with a windshield. There is a corner finish in front end door. The chrome strip which makes the rear view more pleasant. Now we see the rear bumper. The reverse bumper with rear parking sensors and horizontal reflectors. Now we see the tail lamp of the vehicle. LED combinational tail lamps with tail lamp, reverse gear light and blinkers. Now we see the boot space of the car. Before we see the boot space of the vehicle, now we see the key features of the car. This button is used to hold the mechanical key out. This is a mechanical key. Now we see the boot space of the car. With the help of electromagnetic buttons, the boot can be opened automatically. The boot space of the car is 480 liters. There is a side storage option available to enhance the large room. 165 segment, 65 profile, R14 alloy, steel wheel is available for stepney. Now we see the tire features of the car. In LXI and VXI, 65 profile, R14 rear glass available with body colored ORVM, integrated blinker. The timing sensor of the vehicle is very. Now we see the roof look of the car. In center there is no intermediate ribs. The cornering ribs is available, which makes the roof antenna. There is a little disadvantage. There is no sharp fin antennas. It is another feature. Now I lock the vehicle completely. The key is in my hands. With the help of require sensor, the door opens automatically. Hi guys, we are interior and whole new Swift Dzire. The vehicle is very fine and the interior has a very cute. Actually, the front panel is given with hard touch plastic and the wood finish makes the dashboard. The dashboard has 4 AC vents with adjustable trapezoidal AC vents, and the parking light is placed at the center. Axis of the features is very simple. It is an ZXI model. It has normal Bluetooth system, normal Bluetooth system, and cruise start-stop entry. Now we see the AC features of the car. It is an AC on switch. The dial is to adjust the temperature. Front AC option, rear AC option, and mode of the AC. It is an auto climate technology. It is for heater and cooling option. It is for cooling, and the red is for heating. The dials are small and it is very slim. Box has an adequate space. 12 volt 120 watts charging option is available. Car AX plus USB AX. There is a twin holder option. Plus the car is a 5-speed manual and plus one reverse gear. The handbrake is very slim and it is very handy to access. Now we see about the co-passenger seat. It is a co-passenger seat legroom. We have a very fat person. The legroom is very vast. The seat is pulled very backward, and you see the legroom of drive seat. It is a legroom of drive seat. Very vast space. Now we see the steering options. The steering with 3 spoke wheels, cruise control, volume adjust, volume less and mode options, plus infotainment systems, call attending feature, decline and Bluetooth options, plus horn. Dual airbags comes with the front panel, dashboard and airbag. Now we see the instrument cluster. The instrument cluster, it is an RPM meter, it is a speedometer, in between it is tachometer with a door opening warning, handbrake warning and neutral light warning, indicator light, high beam light and diesel filter warning plus battery, seat belt and engine filter. Fuel indicator with digital. In top model there is a special dial meter dial meter available for fuel indicator, and cooling and heating is warning is provided in instrument. You see the power window option. The power window is going to down with one touch. Now we are going to see the headlamp leveling options. There are 5 leveling options. According to the cabin's weight, the headlight can be adjusted. Now we see the automatic mirror option. It is a lock option, and it is for adjustment of right, and this is for adjustment of left mirror. Normal power window options, lock and unlock button. This is the door pad of the vehicle with the high feature wood finish, soft leather touch and 1 liter bottle holder plus small storage option. See the additional feature of the vehicle, automatic ORVM. It is a button. The rear glass opens automatically and it's closed automatically in single touch. Now we are going to see the mirror adjusting option. It is a joystick with the. Now we are going to adjust at right side. You see it's adjusting automatically with the help of joystick. And now we are going to close the ORVM. In rear seat, normal power windows are available. By holding this, the windows can be down. There is rear AC options. Rear AC option with adjustable switches, and there is a 12 volt charging option available for rear seat, and the phone can be placed rear, small storage. Now we see the legroom and headroom of the rear. Suzuki Dzire engine bay, DDIS engine, 4-valve petrol engine, 1.4 liters. Its torque is 66 kilowatt at 6000 rpm. Cubic capacity is 1197 liters. Now we see the basic of engine. It is a brake oil, wiper filling water, engine oil. To check the engine oil level, this can be raised to check the engine oil level. Vehicle's coolant oil, and it is a normal lead acid battery which there is no maintenance for a battery, and it is a relay box for vehicle. Now we see the fuel tank capacity of the car. It's nearly 37 liters. The buttons are available under the drive seat. Started. It is an engine sound of the vehicle. It is fog lamp. Parking light is on. It is a high beam light with blinkers are available. Now we are going to see the suspension of the vehicle. MCPSN suspension with the hydraulic shock absorbers. Now we see the rear suspension. Telescopic normal rigid suspension is available for rear. I forgot to switch off the cabin light, but no problem, it's going to off automatically. The cabin light offs automatically. Effort is taken to make this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.